Hello, this is Stuart Fleming. We have done some videos on sending parameters from a form to a task flow into that task flow and then seeing that data show up on the target form. Today I'm going to go over return, and it's very similar. You set in this case I'm setting up a property listener, and I'm setting this is the return value, page flow scope, param to return. And again, you can name this any value you want as long as this value is the same on the Taskflow definition. We have this set here, target one param, and it's exactly the same as doing an input parameter, so there's no real rocket science here. There's only one thing that I want to mention towards the end. And then, of course, out here on the outer wall of the target task flow, we're going to have, that's the input, the page flow scope return, and return one param. And then on the main, we have the return param. Just want to check one thing here. Yeah, return param. It's the same. Okay, and if we run this, I've already been playing with it, but basically, I'll just clean this out. Send goes over to the target, and then we return, and it does the return. And if we go back to the, it's, this button is both. I guess I didn't set the, I didn't set this one to accept the value that's set by the return button, but that's okay. So that's no real rocket science. Now, one of the things that you have to consider is that after we did the task flow definition, we showed how to do it in a region where we pulled the task flow onto the region, and it's not working because this is a JSPX form. We first have to transfer it to transform it to or extract it to a JSFF form, in which case you can make a region of it. But regions, to my knowledge, do not return. You have to use contextual events. So that's just the main thing about a return value that I'd like to drum into your heads tonight, that regions do not return values, although it is interesting that most of the interface is pretty much the same. They don't have a return yet, and that may be coming down the line as JDeveloper gets newer versions. Obviously, they're working quite intently on that. So that should do it for the return value. Hope this is helpful. Have a good evening.